Hello, my cutie patooties. How are you all? Well, today is Friday, and hopefully my mic or my camera mic is recording today. So I would be able to record something while being on the road, like not a story time. This is not a story time. This is just me trying something random. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is called. It is an impromptu speech, not a speech actually. Yeah, but whatever. This is something impromptu. Yeah, I did not decide what I am going to say and what I am going to talk about, and also the fact that I am in a very good mood today. Because it's Friday and now I have a day off. Actually, 2 days off.
अच्छा
So yeah,
ठीक
pretty
है
happy about it. Also the
समझ
fact
गया
that I took a day off yesterday because I was tired. Because I have had terrible few days. As in when I like the work was hectic and everything. So yeah, I had quite a bit of headache and everything. So yeah, I was not feeling well. I was not feeling good, and I was feeling miserable. Like what the fuck am I doing with my life?
बेकार है भैया
Which
मैं तो
does
टूट
make
गया
sense. Like I still don't know what the fuck am I doing with my life, but actually I am feeling good today. So not so miserable. Excuse me, ladies, please let me go. I am doing multitasking here. Oh, I love that car. Fuck Mahindra. Mahindra, you should hire me. I have been trying to get into Mahindra from last 6 months. Like every job application where I think I will fit, I would be like, okay, I'll apply for it. I got see another one. No, the orange one looks good. But yeah, V6. Oof, love that. Actually, I like the 3XO as well. I went. So, anyways, first, my yeah. So I have applied for Mahindra so many times. Yeah, they did not revert back to me because I think I am not good enough for them, I guess. But yeah, I got into an interview that was for Chennai MRB plant. I was so excited, like I prepared like for continuously for 3 days, and yet I did not got it. But anyways, what were we talking about? Yeah, Mahindra. Love their car, man. They are so futuristic. They look so dope on road. I was like, in 2020, like 2020 or 2022, they were talking about Tata Curve, and I was like, damn, this is so futuristic. This is so cool. I'm going to get that car. But then Mahindra B6 came, like within I don't know, maybe a year. I don't know, but yeah, it came, and I was completely mesmerized by that car, man. It looks so dope. Like how, like I believe that is to make in India, even though there might be the team who are not from India and whatever. But yes, but yeah, love the car, love the concept. And yeah, I was talking about Mahindra. Yeah, damn, I love that car. Like it looks so good. And this BYD is also, it's a Chinese company, I guess. And they are like battery manufacturers, so mostly they are supplying their batteries to the other companies. I think they are the one who are supplying it to BEs for Mahindra as well, for BE6. But yeah, I love the concept. So yeah, I was talking about Tata Curve, and when I saw it, I was like, damn, it's so good. Like, it's happening with my bike. Yeah. Anyways, I'm so excited today, so that's why maybe shit happens. So Tata Curve came. I was like, damn, this is so futuristic and everything. But then Mahindra, that B6 came, and actually I like the 3XO concept as well. I like how cute it looked. I like the color and everything more than their specs. I saw that B6 and I was so freaking mesmerized with its beauty, man. It looks so aesthetically pleasing from the inside and the outside, and hence I wanted to get into Mahindra. But Mahindra's HRs are like, okay, we won't tell you that you are not even getting shortlisted, or even if you get into an interview, I won't tell you that you are not shortlisted for further rounds. Like that did hurt me. Okay, I get depressed for 2 or 3 days. then I find another hobby to be obsessed about. But anyways, love the car, man. If someone one day watches this video from Mahindra, please hire me. I am ready to go to your any plant. Like even the tractor would work for me. Since I am a mechanical engineer, it is like a dream for me and an obsession for me because there are not many good mechanical companies in automotive sector. Those who are, they would ask me to have an experience of 10 to 15 years. I don't have that. I think I can only trust Mahindra to hire me because you can, guys, or MSIL or Honda or Volkswagen or Renault. Like the list is endless, people, but still Mahindra is my preference. So anyways, I still did not got into it. What the hell is happening with me today? Yeah, I was so excited to record it today because I was like, I am fully prepared. I don't know if this gets recorded or not, or I have to give a voiceover because I was like, yes, the mic is ready. I have put an extra mic with my phone as a secondary device. I have kept one with my GoPro and everything. And yet, if I did not get it, hey, Chandigarh police. So I would be pretty pissed. I don't know how is it going so far, but yeah. So my other mic is off because the battery died. Like how the fuck I prepare so much, yet there would be something or other and I would mess it up with my setup. Like how can I be doing that? Like, but yeah, I'm just a newbie. I shouldn't be so pissed at myself. We all learn things at different pace, and from what I gather, my pace is pretty fucking slow. Hee hee hee.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Damn, it's hot, man. The only problem I have with my bike is the weather. Terribly hate it. Like, why is it so hot? Why? See, this is also a point. No, I was very delulu when I was a mechanical engineer because when I was in my college, I used to think like I would work in this company for an year, and then go for this company, which would be obviously bigger than that for 2 years or so. And in the span of 5 to 6 years, I would be able to get into Mercedes or somewhere. But ta-da! It's been almost 3 years and I'm in the same company. Not like same company, but yeah, somehow 1.5 same company. It's a long story. I will tell you someday later when I feel like my mic is completely fixed and now nothing can ruin it. So then I will tell that story. But till then, yes.
And bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.